Welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, we'll be reviewing the highly anticipated Motorola Edge 40. With its sleek design and flagship-level specifications, this phone aims to make its mark in the competitive under 30,000 rupees smartphone segment. So, let's dive right into the review and find out if the Motorola Edge 40 lives up to the hype. The Motorola Edge 40 joins the league of smartphones under 30,000 rupees in India, which has seen a surge of new launches recently. This segment is known for its performance-focused devices, but the Edge 40 sets itself apart with its stylish design and impressive specifications. Today, we'll be taking an in-depth look at the Edge 40, discussing its design, display, specifications, software, performance, battery life, camera capabilities, and finally, giving our verdict on whether it's worth considering. Design and display. Let's start with the design and display of the Motorola Edge 40. The phone features a sleek and premium design, especially with the nebula green variant we have here. The full-leather rear panel adds to the in-hand feel, and the lightweight build coupled with the curved edges makes it comfortable to hold. On the front, we have a 6.6-inch curved edge-pulled display that offers an immersive viewing experience. However, the extreme curvature sometimes leads to accidental touches, particularly during gaming. The display offers vibrant colors, and you can adjust the settings for a more natural tone. It's worth noting that the Edge 40 is the only smartphone in this price range to offer a 144Hz refresh rate display, although some apps are yet to take full advantage of it. Specifications and software. On to the specifications and software, the Motorola Edge 40 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8020 SoC, which provides a smooth experience for both routine tasks and gaming. It comes with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. The phone runs on the latest Android 13-based MyUX skin, offering a clean software experience with several customization options. Motorola also provides various gestures and Lenovo's ThinkShield security and privacy features through the Moto Secure app. Worth mentioning that Motorola promises 2 major Android updates and 3 years of security support for the Edge 40. Performance and battery life. Now let's talk about the performance and battery life of the Motorola Edge 40. The Dimensity 8020 SoC offers powerful performance, allowing for smooth multitasking and gaming. During extended gaming sessions, the phone maintains good heat dissipation, ensuring sustained performance. Benchmark tests, the Edge 40 scored slightly lower compared to the segment leader, but it still delivers a capable performance. For battery life, with moderate usage, the phone can easily last a full day. However, extensive gaming might require a midday charge. Edge 40 supports fast charging, with 68-watt turbo power charging, and even offers 15-watt wireless charging. Camera capabilities. Let's move on to the camera capabilities of the Motorola Edge 40. It features a dual camera setup with a 50-megapixel primary camera and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens that can also capture macro shots. For selfies, there's a 32-megapixel front camera. The primary camera captures good details, but at times, the images can appear over-sharpened. The colors are vibrant, and low-light performance is commendable. The ultra-wide camera performs